Welcome! Today, we embark on an incredible journey to the world's most extreme frontiers, where dedicated scientists risk everything to boldly push the boundaries of human knowledge and understanding. Our first stop, the Chernobyl exclusion zone, a radioactive wasteland left by disaster. Once abandoned, it's now a living laboratory where nature and radiation collide. Scientists return, armed with dosimeters, to study how life adapts to invisible danger. Wolves roam empty streets, plants and insects evolve in unexpected ways. Some even seem to harness radiation. Every step is a gamble. The air, soil, and water are laced with silent threats. Yet, researchers persist, collecting samples and tracking mutations, revealing both the scars and resilience of life. Chernobyl is a paradox, a sanctuary for wildlife, a warning for humanity. These scientists bear witness to the long-term consequences of our actions, mapping a future from the ruins of the past. Their courage is quiet, persistent, and vital. Next, we descend to Antarctica's Mount Erebus, where fire meets ice. Here, volcanologists endure brutal cold and hurricane winds to study one of Earth's only persistent lava lakes. Reaching the summit means crossing treacherous ice fields, living in isolation, and braving toxic gases. On the crater's edge, they collect data and samples, risking sudden eruptions and deadly conditions. Inside volcanic ice caves, microbiologists discover extremophiles, life thriving in darkness and cold, hinting at possibilities beyond our planet. Erebus is a crucible of endurance, where every discovery deepens our understanding of Earth's power. These scientists face months of isolation and danger, driven by the need to unlock the secrets of fire and ice. Their work shapes our knowledge of volcanoes and the origins of life itself. We soar above the Amazon's canopy, entering a world as mysterious and unexplored as the deepest ocean. This vast green roof stretches for thousands of miles, forming a living ceiling that shelters the wonders of the rainforest below. From this breathtaking vantage point, the endless expanse of treetops seems to ripple like a green sea, hiding secrets that have fascinated explorers and scientists for generations. To unlock these secrets, scientists become arboreal astronauts, embarking on daring ascents hundreds of feet above the ground. Each climb is a journey into the unknown, requiring not just physical strength but also nerves of steel. Suspended high above the forest floor, these researchers navigate a labyrinth of branches and vines, determined to reach the uppermost layers where sunlight first touches the leaves. The climb is perilous. One slip can be fatal, and dangers lurk in every branch. Venomous ants march in silent armies, ready to defend their territory, while camouflaged snakes lie in wait, blending seamlessly with the bark and leaves. Every movement must be calculated, every grip secure, as the canopy tests the courage and skill of those who dare to explore it. Up here, life flourishes in astonishing diversity. Half of the rainforest species live unseen in the canopy, many still unknown to science. Agile monkeys leap from branch to branch, flocks of parrots flash brilliant colors against the green, and tiny poison dart frogs cling to leaves, their vivid hues a warning to predators. Even the slow-moving sloth finds sanctuary in this aerial world, hidden from the dangers below. Researchers set up camera traps to capture elusive animals, collect rare plants that never touch the forest floor, and map the intricate highways used by animals to travel between trees. Each discovery reveals a vibrant ecosystem, teeming with life and interactions that remain invisible from the ground. The canopy is a living laboratory, offering glimpses of new species, unique behaviors, and complex relationships that shape the entire rainforest. The canopy is not just a home for wildlife, it is crucial for climate regulation. The leaves here absorb carbon dioxide, release oxygen, and help drive the rainfall patterns that sustain life across continents. What happens in this green expanse can influence weather thousands of miles away, making the health of the canopy vital for the planet's future. Ingenious cranes and rope bridges have made exploration easier, allowing scientists to reach new heights and cover more ground. Yet, much of the work remains painstaking, done rope by rope, step by step, as researchers inch their way through the treetops. Every expedition is a test of endurance, patience, and teamwork. With the rainforest vanishing at an alarming rate, these scientists race against time to catalog life before it disappears forever. Each photograph, each sample, and each observation is a vital piece of a puzzle that may soon be lost. Their work is a testament to human curiosity and determination, driven by the hope that understanding the canopy can help protect it for future generations. Their courage is matched only by their urgency. As they gaze out over the endless green, these explorers know that the fate of the Amazon, and perhaps the world, rests in the balance. The canopy's secrets are waiting to be discovered, but time is running out. Now, we prepare to plunge into the Marianas Trench, a place so remote and mysterious that it has captured the imagination of scientists and explorers for generations. This is the deepest, darkest place on Earth, a world that exists far beyond the reach of sunlight, where the ocean floor drops to nearly 11,000 meters below the surface. Here, the water pressure is so intense that it would crush an ordinary submarine like a tin can, and the temperature hovers just above freezing. Descending into the Marianas is not just a journey downward, it's a journey into the unknown. In fact, fewer people have visited the floor of the Marianas Trench than have walked on the surface of the moon. While the moon is 384,000 kilometers away, the trench is right here on our own planet, yet it remains one of the least explored frontiers. The challenges of reaching these depths are so extreme that only a handful of missions have ever succeeded, making each descent a historic event. Scientists and explorers descend in specially designed reinforced submersibles, tiny vessels engineered to withstand the crushing pressure of the deep. Every bolt, every window, every seal is tested to the limit because at these depths, the weight of the water above is over 1,000 times greater than at the surface. The darkness is absolute, broken only by the faint glow of the submersible's lights as it sinks deeper and deeper into the abyss. Inside, the psychological strain is immense. For hours, the crew is confined to a cramped metal sphere, isolated from the world above by kilometers of water. Communication is limited, and the knowledge that any equipment failure could be fatal weighs heavily on everyone's mind. Yet, despite the risks and discomfort, the drive to explore and discover keeps them focused and determined. What makes this journey worthwhile is the astonishing life that thrives in the abyss. The trench is home to ghostly fish with transparent bodies, giant amphipods the size of a human hand, and other bizarre creatures that seem more alien than earthly. These animals have adapted to survive in total darkness under pressures that would destroy most life forms. Even more remarkable are the microbes that flourish here, living without sunlight and feeding on chemicals from the Earth's crust. These tiny organisms may hold clues to how life began on our planet, and even how it might exist elsewhere in the universe. Every sample collected from the trench is a potential treasure trove of new knowledge. Scientists hope to discover new medicines, enzymes, and materials that could revolutionize technology and healthcare. Each discovery pushes the boundaries of what we know about life's limits and resilience, but the risks are ever present. Equipment failure at these depths means certain death, and every mission is a delicate balance between caution and curiosity. Still, the quest for discovery, the hope of finding something truly new, outweighs the dangers for these brave explorers. With every dive, scientists map the ocean floor in greater detail, revealing underwater mountains, trenches, and vents that have been hidden for millions of years. Each new map illuminates a world that has remained in darkness since the dawn of time, helping us understand not just the trench, but the history of our entire planet. These are true explorers, venturing into the most extreme and mysterious environments on Earth. Their courage and curiosity drive them to face the unknown, all for the sake of knowledge and the hope of unlocking the secrets of our planet's last great frontier. Our final frontier, the Ebola hot zones of Africa, where the enemy is microscopic but deadly. These regions, often shrouded in mystery and dense jungle, are the battlegrounds where humanity faces one of its most formidable foes. The virus lurks in the shadows, waiting for the right moment to strike, and when it does, the consequences are devastating. Outbreaks erupt in remote villages, and scientists rush in, facing heat, fear, and overwhelming odds. These brave individuals are often the first line of defense, arriving in helicopters or on foot, navigating through challenging terrains to reach the epicenters of the outbreak. Their mission is clear: to contain the virus and prevent it from spreading further. The virus is highly infectious. A single mistake can be fatal. Every step, every action is calculated and precise. The process of donning protective gear is a ritual of survival, a barrier between life and death. Each layer of protection is a reminder of the stakes involved. Encased in suffocating protective gear, researchers test samples, trace infections, and fight to contain the spread. Their work is meticulous and relentless, often conducted in makeshift labs under the most challenging conditions. They are detectives in a biological crime scene, piecing together the puzzle of transmission. They endure exhaustion, dehydration, and the emotional toll of witnessing suffering and death. The physical demands are immense, but the emotional burden is even greater. Each patient lost is a reminder of the virus's cruelty, and each survivor is a testament to their efforts. Building trust is as vital as science. Communities are wary, and misinformation spreads fast. Engaging with local populations is crucial, as fear and rumors can hinder efforts. Scientists and health workers become educators and allies, working to dispel myths and encourage cooperation. By sequencing the virus and tracking its mutations, these teams lay the groundwork for vaccines and treatments. Their work is not just about the present outbreak, but also about future prevention. Understanding the virus at a genetic level is key to developing effective countermeasures. Their courage is often unseen, their sacrifice is immense. Behind the masks and shields are individuals driven by a commitment to save lives. They find solace in each other, sharing moments of reflection and support amidst the chaos. In the heart of a plague, they risk everything to save lives and prevent future pandemics. Each life saved is a victory, and each outbreak contained is a step towards a safer world. Their work is a testament to human resilience and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. This is science at its most selfless and heroic. As the sun rises on another day, these heroes continue their mission, driven by hope and determination. Their story is one of courage, sacrifice, and the unwavering belief in a better future for all. Our journey ends, but the quest for knowledge continues. From Chernobyl's silence to Erebus's fire, the Amazon's heights to the ocean's depths, and the front lines of disease, we've seen the courage that drives discovery. These scientists remind us that exploration is humanity's noblest pursuit. Their work protects, enlightens, and inspires us all. Join us for the next adventure. There are always new frontiers to explore.